Guys, for today's video, prepare ako ng para ulam namin. Look at this one. So, yan. Yan yung uulamin namin tonight. So, stay tuned. Fish curry there. Ito yung ginawa ko, guys. Pinrito ko muna yung isda. Tapos, pure, ano yan? Pure gata. Yan yung pangalawang gata na nilagay ko dyan. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan na, guys. Oh, sarap ng curry. May piksay yan, piksay. Ayan. Fish curry. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung pangalawang gata. This is the second, this is the second, but this is the first one, pure. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, sarap, guys. Ayan. Fish curry. Tingnan natin kung anong lasa nito. Tikinin natin. Yummy, guys. Oy. Alright. I'll update you guys kasi hirap mag-video din magluto. See? Fish curry. There.